Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you want to turn your photo into a realistic 3D figurine style image that looks like it came straight from an art collectible shelf, here in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create it by using CapCut AI step by step. So this viral trend is taking over Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and you can easily make your own using CapCut AI Lab with just one click. So in here on CapCut PC, you can just head into the Create with AI options or the AI design menu, and you'll be directed to this page. Now, if you want to create a 3D figurine, you'll see in here there will be this a prompt suggestion. You can just click on it. So here is the prompt that you need to use using the Nano banana model. Get a 1/7 scale commercial figurine of the characters in a picture, and the figurine is placed on a computer desk and features a round transparent acrylic base, and you can see the rest in here, and you can just remove the image and upload your own. So choose from this device, then just upload your image. So for example, in here I'm going to use this one, and you can just tap on open. Wait until the image is fully uploaded, and as you guys can see, if you have a CapCut free, you have 10 free users to use this feature. So just tap on send and wait until the result is out. Okay, so now the 3D figurine is done. You can see the result in here. And here at the top, you can see there will be this insert button. If you want to add more image, you can change also the background by clicking on this. And you can also resize the image, the size. And if you're already satisfied with it, you can just tap on download here. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.